Guys, so for our next part of the assignment for today, we're going to be looking at the looking at how do people respond to the big problems of the Industrial Revolution. So we're going to be looking at um, the Leeds Cloth Workers petition again. And this petition, I think, when we looked at it the last time, we viewed sort of what people were viewing as the big problems of the Industrial Revolution. So you'll see here that there's obviously talk of the scribbling machine, um, and technological unemployment, one of the pieces we had discussed before, right? So there are two questions at the bottom. Please make sure you answer those. And then here we below that on page 3 of the sheet, you'll get to the next portion of the assignment, right? So you have two questions that you need to answer, and then you have two questions here. Well, they're actually the same question. So you just answer those questions, and you have a 5 to 7 sentence question that you need to answer again. Different type of aspect, sort of relating more to the video. And then I want you to write a law. I want you to sort of come up with an idea of what law would be helpful for people in the 18th century, all right, or 19th century. All right, good luck, guys.